They ask me what's a quadrilateral and I tell them so. It's a polygon with 4 sides, that's for real, yo. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a kite. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a rhombus. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral.
If it got 4 right angles, then it is a square. Side, side, squares got parallel. I'm in the classroom, squares everywhere. Just made a square, parallels everywhere. Do the biggest square unless the sides are equal. Right angle 90 degrees, it got 4 of them. Different lengths, same angles. When 2 lengths grow, it becomes a rectangle. Opposite sides, they are parallel. Real simple now, just need one more. Diagonals cross each other and it's congruent. It's all you're gonna need to learn right now. Rectangle's finally done, don't you see? Square's finally done, don't you see?
They ask me what's a quadrilateral and I tell them so. It's a polygon with 4 sides, that's a real, yo. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a square. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a rectangle. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. Alex, you think you're the bomb. It's my time, now you will know what's a kite. A kite is really simple, just like the rest. But there are just 2 adjacent sides. They're the things you've seen in the sides for years. And the diagonals of both sides make a right angle. And the 2 adjacent sides are completely equal. One flat side and regular quadrilateral, man, I hate those things. Last lesson, we learned the diagonal polygon. It only has 1 set of parallel sides. If the 2 sides that are parallel are equal, and the base angles are equal, then it is parallel, not time. So we thinking, then we asking questions. If you listen, you would know. And if not, then you are just a bad student. They ask me what's a quadrilateral and I tell them so. It's a polygon with 4 sides, that's for real, yo. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a parallelogram. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a trapezoid. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral.
Talking rhombus, we talking rhombus. 4 sides, all the same, that's its first thing. That's its first thing. That's its first thing. 4 sides, all the same, that's its first thing. When the diagonals are drawn, there is one thing.
They bisect each other, throwing notice me.
You asking what's a parallelogram?
Opposite sides, they're a parallel.
The opposite angles are congruent too. Now you know your quadrilaterals. Square, square, rhombus, rhombus, rectangles too. They are all parallelograms.
Me, Alex, have been great teachers. If you listen, you should now know all your quadrilaterals. They ask me what's a quadrilateral and I tell them so. It's a polygon with 4 sides, that's for real, yo. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. When I'm all done, you will now know what's a kite. When I'm all done, you will all know what's a rhombus. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral. All I want to learn is what's a quadrilateral.